Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another free session on Botany Insider. We'll be discussing a number of questions. We'll be discussing a number of different concepts. Today, I have brought up various different new questions for the practicing. Quickly check whether the presentation is visible to you or not. If yes, let's begin with the class. Yes, is the presentation visible to all? If you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure to download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. It's available on both the devices. Let's begin with the class now. We have a number of courses running for the December 2024 examination. We have a full course, we have a crash course, and we have a PYQ course ongoing for you all. So, depending on your requirement, whether you want to have a complete detailed discussion, whether you want to revise out the things, or whether you want to just solve out the questions and revise together, then the courses are followed accordingly, right? So, this is about the PYQ and the revision course. Then a full course and a crash course. So, whatever your requirements are, you can download our application. All the links and everything are in the description box. So, you can check it out and get yourself enrolled, right? Let's begin. So, this is the very first question. This question is from general aptitude. We are starting off with part A questions, right? This is from general aptitude, latest paper question. The question is, in a family of two males and three females, there's a family which is having two males and three females together. In this, you're given some blood relation question, like blood relations. So, question is that A is a daughter of B and A is a sister of C. E is a spouse of B and a mother of D, right? And C is not the brother of D. Which of the following statement is not correct? So you need to find out the incorrect option from the same. Easy question. इसके अंदर हमें ब्लड रिलेशन कॉन्सेप्ट को चेक करना है कि क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, कौन सा फैमिली मेंबर दूसरे फैमिली मेंबर के साथ किस रिलेशनशिप के साथ है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन गेट योर आंसर. So analyze the question, try making up the relations among them and get the answer for the same. This question will not take more than 2 minutes अगर हम इसे ढंग से रीड करेंगे, एनालाइज करेंगे और आंसर को मार्क डाउन करेंगे. Try the question everyone, then we would solve it out together. Easy and simple. Don't be in a hurry. Please make sure that you read it properly. See, the question is, in a family of two males and three females, A is a daughter of B and a sister of C. So A and C are siblings, right? Then E and B. E is the spouse of B. So E and B are spouses, mother, father. And E is the mother of D. So we have another child, D. She's the mother. This is father because they are spouses, right? And C is not the brother of D. If C is not the brother, that means C is the sister, right? What's this part? C is the sister of D, right? Now, what is the point? Which of the following statement is not correct? Correct. So, this is sister, this is sister, this is father, mother, and this one should be the brother because the family is having two males. So, one male, the father, and the second male, the brother, and three females. So, one, two, and three. So, which of the following is the correct? This is the relationship between each one of them. So, which of the following is not the correct one. So first one is E is the mother of A. Now all the three of them are siblings, so E is the mother of A as well. Correct. D is the sister of C. No, D is the brother of C. So this is wrong. Then C is the daughter of B. Correct, because if A is the daughter, so C is also the daughter. So this one is correct. A is a sister of D. Correct, because A is the female. So she'll be sister to both the siblings. So this is also correct. Second is the correct answer for this question. This was the two marker that was asked recently in June 2024 paper. Did you understand the question? Very simple and easy. Yes. Did you understand the question? Right. So let's discuss the next question now. I hope this is clear. B is the answer for this. Next question. Let's try out a theoretical question now. Try this one, everyone. Which one of the following is a communicating junction linking the adjacent cells in plants, which permits the small molecule to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large molecules? Question is, which of the following is a communicating junction linking the adjacent cells in the plants, which permits the small molecules to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large cell? Very simple question. Try the question, everyone. Which of the following is a communicating junction linking adjacent cells in the plants? Try it out. Then we'll solve it out together. Very good. Others also try the question. Very simple. Which of the following is a communicating junction that links up the two adjacent cells in the plants, which permits the small molecule to pass from cell to cell while blocking the passage of most of the large molecules? So, obviously, the answer will be plasmodesmatase. In the plasmodesmatase, in the plant cell, we see the plasmodesmatase as the most uh, prominent, what do we call it, junctions which help out in the communication. Right? I hope it's clear. Next question. Give it a try to this particular question. Now, this one is from the C4 pathway. You must have learnt about C1, C2, C3, C4 CAM pathways in plant physiology. Which of the following statements regarding pepcase is incorrect? So, during the day, C4 pepcase is inactive, whereas CAM pepcase is active. Pepcase is inactivated by dephosphorylation. Then pepcase kinase phosphorylates the pepcase. Then the synthesis of pepcase kinase is modulated by the circadian rhythm in the plant cells, in the CAM leaves. So you have to recall that what is C3, C2, C4 and CAM pathway and the differences between them. Majorly, you have to recall the C4 and the CAM pathway, the utilization of the pepcase when it is active, what functionality does it play, and then mark the answer for this. Understand the question and then only mark it. Do not be in a hurry, just try it out. Done, everyone? Question is, which of the statement regarding the PEP case is incorrect? So if you can recall, in the case of your C4 pathway and in the CAM pathway, in the CAM pathway, what is the main distinction? Over here, we have the scotoactive stomata. Scotoactive stomata are the ones that are active during the night time, right? In addition to that, C4 plants are what? In which we have the Cran's anatomy being there and your dimorphic chloroplast being there. Right. Now, during the day, the C4 peptase is inactive, whereas CAM peptase is active. Right. So, during the daytime, when we talk about C4, peptase active and inactive. Okay, let's see. Then peptase is inactivated by dephosphorylation. Then peptase kinase phosphorylates the peptase, and then the synthesis of peptase kinase is modulated by circadian rhythm in the CAM leaves. So, if you look into the first statement only, Shilpa, look into the option carefully. In the CAM pathway, we have the photoactivity being there, in which you have the enzymes being active and inactive at different timings of the day. So, in the C4 plants, we do not have the CAM plants being active and inactive during the daytime or in the night time, right? In the C4, like during the daytime, C4 is inactive and in the CAM plants it is active. This spatial distribution, or we can say the timing distribution that we have specifically, spatial is position, so this word cannot be used. The timing change that we have, it is majorly in your CAM plants only and not in the C4 plants. So we can easily eliminate the first option and all other three statements are the correct one. And as a result, we have the answer as option number one. It's a new question that's there. Very good, Shana. Correct answer. And you can, with this question, you can remember the information, like you can keep a note of the new information that you have learned also. Right. I hope it's clear to all. Next question. Let's discuss one general aptitude question now. Cost of two mangoes, one coconut, two bananas is equal to 71. Then cost of five mangoes, three coconuts, four bananas is 182. You need to find out what is the cost of mango and banana to get mango and coconut together. You have to use these equation and then solve it out. Very simple question. Try the question, everyone, then we'll solve it out together. Try the question. Try solving it out, everyone. Done, everyone? Let's see. Question is, you have the cost of two mangoes, one coconut, and two bananas is 71. So this is the equation. Then cost of five mangoes, three coconuts, and four bananas is 182. What is the cost of one mango and one coconut together? Solve this and you'll get the answer. How you can solve it? You have to just make up this equation, solve it out, and you'll get the answer in this manner. Like you can subtract or like multiply first equation by 2, get this number equal to the other one. This will get cancelled out and you'll get the value of mangoes and the coconuts equal to 40. Right, that's what the question was. You need not to find out the value of individual mango or individual coconut. Right, you have to find out the value or the cost of mango and coconut together. So as a result, 40 is the correct answer for this question. Simple and easy. Right. This one is completed already in the previous class. Let's discuss this question now. Or let's discuss some theoretical question. Try this question, everyone. Which one of the following properties of the groups is a hallmark of Z form of DNA? There are three forms of DNA: A form, B form, and the Z form. So, what is the property of the Z form of DNA? First one is narrow and deep major grooves, wide and deep major grooves, narrow and shallow major grooves, flat major grooves. Try the question, everyone. Then we'll solve it out together. Try it out. This one is very simple. If you have learnt about the molecular biology and if you have learnt about the Z form of DNA and learned, like you can recall the properties of the groups, you can get the answer. This one is a very simple question. Okay. Direct, straightforward. And this was asked in July 2024, like the latest paper that was there. Question is, which of the following is a hallmark of the Z form of DNA? So, narrow and deep major groove, wide and deep major groove, narrow and shallow and flat major groove. Answer for this is option number 4. The main hallmark for the Z form is that it has a flat major groove. Okay, remember about this. It can never have, like the Z form will not be having a wide and deep major groove. No, the main hallmark is that it have a flat major groove. So remember, fourth is the correct answer for this particular question. I hope it's clear. Let's discuss one more question. This one is from biochemistry. The question is, following statements are being made to define your Michaelis constant, Km. It is independent of the enzyme concentration and substrate concentration. It is equal to the dissociation constant when a ES complex dissociates more rapidly than the product formation. Then it is equal to the dissociation constant when the product formation is more rapid than ES complex. Then it's an intrinsic property of enzyme and it is not dependent upon the pH, temperature, and the ionic strength. Which of the following combination of statement is the correct one? Try it out. Following statements are being made to define Km. Which of the following is the correct statement? Read the question carefully. And if you have learnt about the KM, Vmax, all these things, you can easily get the answer for the question. Try the question, everyone. Following statements are being made about to define the Km. It is equal to the dissociation constant when the ES complex dissociates more rapidly than the product formation. It is equal to the dissociation constant when the product formation is more rapid than the dissociation, complex dissociation. Then it's an intrinsic property of the enzyme and does not depend upon the pH, temperature, and ionic strength. And then which of the following statements are the correct one? Now, see, last option is saying that it's an intrinsic property of enzyme and it does not depend upon the pH temperature. It's a wrong statement. It is going to depend upon the pH temperature and the ionic strength, right? So, D is a wrong statement. You can reach to the correct answer with just one option and eliminating the same. So, answer for this is option number A, right? That is, it is equal to the dissociation constant when the ES complex dissociates more rapidly than the product formation, and then it is equal to the constant, and then it is independent of the enzyme concentration and the substrate concentration, right? Answer for this is option number A. A is the correct answer. A and B are the correct statements. Very good, very good. Let's discuss one more. Which of the following is the least suited for long distance phloem transport of photo assimilated carbon in the plants? Out of the four compounds that are given to you, reducing sugars, mannitol, galactosides, sucrose, oligosaccharides, and non-reducing sugars. Which of the following is the least suited one for long-term phloem transport of photoassimilated carbon? Try it out, everyone. Reducing sugars, mannitol, galactoside, sucrose, oligosaccharides, and then non-reducing sugars. Try it out. Very simple question. It's a two marker that was asked in this latest July 2024 paper. Try it out. Let's see which of the following is least suited for the long distance phloem transport of photo assimilated carbon. Obviously, the reducing sugars are the least suited one. All the others are still suited for the long distance phloem transport, right? So A is the correct answer, and this was the question that was asked in the latest paper of this June 2024, right? So I hope the question is clear to all and everything is like properly in understanding with everyone. Now we'll discuss the remaining questions in the next class. If you feel like that these classes are helping you out and you wish to like learn about more about the questions and how to solve the questions in a much more better way in the main examination, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled in these classes in which we learn about the various questions in detail. For example, this revision and a PYQ course. So in this course, we learn about the questions in like weekly tests also. We have properly structured year-wise questions also discussed. In addition to that, you'll also learn or you'll also revise the various units in proper detail, right? So we'll be learning about all of them in these courses. So whichever is of your requirement, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled, right? So this was about for this class. Let's meet in the next class now, another free session. So I'll be sharing the links on my YouTube and my uh, WhatsApp groups, so you can join us, and also our Telegram group. Right. So that's about for this video and this particular class. I hope it was helpful. Good luck. Take care, everyone. Let's meet in the next class.